Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's another cringy video. Welcome. So today we're playing Subnautica. I am currently trying to work on a montage for Fortnite, which has been going pretty well. I have gotten a new computer, which is very good. So it'll have much better quality than my Mac. So let's just get into it. I have not. Let's see survival.
Attention. Hull failure imminent. All personnel abandon ship. Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Never knew got smacked in the face with a pan. Yeah, now they start playing dubstep. How do you get up? Okay, let's see.
You have suffered minor head trauma. This is considered an optimal outcome. This PDA has now rebooted in emergency mode with one directive: to keep you alive on an alien world. Please refer to the databank for detailed survival advice. Good luck.
So it says repair tool, so let's see how. Nope. It's definitely. How do you use the repair tool? I'm sorry, I haven't played Subnautica at all. Apparently. I don't think I should do that yet.
The Aurora suffered orbital hull failure. Cause unknown. 0 human life signs detected.
There's no tools. So these all require. So how long can I stay in water? Let's go see if we could gather some resources.
Oxygen.
Oh, I want that back now. Hehe, you've been captured. I am somehow gonna use you. In some unknown way. I don't know. Kill him! Kill it. Just kill it. Need salt, okay. So, where was my storage? Okay, it's my storage, gonna... So, what do I... Nope, 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 back to game. So, if we look at the fabricator, we could look at resources, personal tools. So, repair to... We need silicone, rubber, cave sulfur, and titanium. What else do we need? Silicone rubber. I could get that. Let's swim back to the ship, and I'm not too sure how to do this, but... So we're just looking for metal salvage. Just checking again, compared to garden. Okay. Titanium. Don't want to go near those guys, because I'm...
Oxygen.
This guy could be like freaking an Olympic swimmer right now. Fabricator, resources. So you don't need titanium. Wait, okay. So I have straight up titanium. Okay, I'm just saving just in case. Back to game. Then here, fabricator, personal tools. So I have titanium. I need silicone, rubber, and cave sulfur. Silicone rubber, gotcha. And silicone rubber, keep on. Caves. So it's in a cave. game is great. Eat something. And head back to the ship. That's good. Gonna get a lot of those fish. Bro, I know this is like a video game, but I'm like genuinely scared. Oh, they're gonna fart at me! Don't fart at me! I'm on a crunch time since I do have to go somewhere. But I am just gonna stock up on this fish. Let me grab you. Okay. Go. Oxygen, there. Bam. We all good. Okay, okay. Still need sulfur. Cave farms.
Detecting increased local radiation levels.
Okay, yep.
Trend is consistent with damage to the Aurora's drive core sustained during planet fall.
Okay. Much sort of low key in this area. We need to still look for the cave. This is very interesting. No, I can't grab these things. This might be an area where there's metal salvage. So, you know, just in case for more titanium.
Integrating new PDA data. Oxygen.
Reach the top. For a little bit longer. Yeah. I just want the vines. I just want the vine. Dude, there's a cave sulfur. Don't attack me. That's harassment. You can't touch me. That's not good.
Sulfur deposits in the local cave systems. Sulfur is an essential component of the repair tool. Oxygen.
Okay. So we found the sulfur. All we need is those clusters. Okay, I'm gonna try cooking some of Okay. Let me grab some more food. Come here, fishy, fishy. I can't touch you. That sounds wrong, but I can't get the fish. Okay, let me get the boomerang. Bam. Let me get this. The Gary fish. I'm gonna call you Gary. I can't pick up that fish.
May have unexpected applications. Utilizing alien resources is
So used to pressing E. Advocator. Good food. Ooh, water.
It is common for those accustomed to synthetic foods to be repulsed by eating an animal carcass. Remember that humans survived this way for millennia. You can too.
What is that? Okay, there, yep. Well, guys, I am gonna have to go, so this has been a great video. Just gonna quickly save. Yep. This has been a great adventure, and I'm definitely gonna make more of these videos, and so I'm gonna drink this. Bam. Okay. Save. Okay. Well, thank you for watching another cringy video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time on the other side. Sayonara. Stay epic.